Alright, here we go. We're at the One World Trade Center and we're going up to the top of the world. One World Trade Center observation deck. That's where we're going right now. They said it's zero visibility, so all they can do is film the experience going up the elevator, going up to the observation deck and seeing what exactly we can see. So, here we go. Here we are walking through the hallway here. Wow, we got a lot of lights in here. A lot of TVs. Giving us an idea here. Some very interesting little mini TV setup they've got in here. The One World Trade Center. Through a cave. Oh, they're telling us where the heights are. 541 meters tall. 4,600 pounds. Looks like something near at the top. And action. We are going through the tunnel. It's hard to see. This is here. We keep going here. We keep going through a dark tunnel. Reserve your food there. There's like a cafe, a diner up there. Sorry. I don't even know where we're going. This way. How does this close? The ears are starting to pop.
Where's the Empire State Building? There.
Okay. So this is all we can see because there's zero visibility, they told us, downstairs. So, I guess we'll see. That's what they told me. I don't know. We'll find out.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
Just come around to the front, okay?
Okay, here we go. It tells me we are going to be able to see something. We're at a certain level here. Can't be seen, but I'm right here. I'm just waiting in line, waiting to go up to the next level until we get to the observatory deck. Observation deck, I'm sorry. This is selfie mode, even though I can't be seen. Turn out too many lights here.
Give me a short presentation. You can take pictures and record. Just
no flash.
Diverse and ever-changing, the city and Skyline reveal themselves uniquely to each observer. Experience the infinite facets of the city beneath us as you prepare to see forever.
This is not bad. Here's a preview here. Looks like they're showing the entire city. Oh. What the hell was this? It's a white cloud.
And now, we invite you to enter One World Observatory.
Oh my God. This is a complete fail right there. We were supposed to be able to see the city and yet we saw a white cloud. Now we can finally get out there. What? Really?
This is the worst experience.
I guess slightly can. It's not completely right. See a little bit. One voice. You can see a little bit there. I can see something. Slightly there. There we go. Some views of the city. It's not bad. About zero visibility, but I mean you can see something there.
If you look down, you see the spikes down there?
There we go.
The spikes, white lines down there.
One person.
You want food?
Does it come with the deal or just is it
It's free to
separate?
take. If you like it, then you can buy it.
I'll take it.
big smile in 3, 2, 1. A thumbs up or peace sign. 3, 2, 1, and then one.
Arms crossed.
3, 2, 1. Oh, perfect. Have a good one.
Thank you. That's not bad, man. That's not bad. We can still see something they're talking about, but just at these clouds up here. One World Trade Center exhibit. A coffee shop up here. Elite Cafe menu. But there's a restaurant over here too. Looks like we can go downstairs and get more view down there. Island of Manhattan, New York City. You got two sides there. Wow, that's not bad. Oh, right there, some sort of a movement on my feet there. Something was moving down there, but that's still moving down there. I don't know what that is. That keeps doing that. Let's go down there and take a look. Right here. Hello. Is this the dinner area?
Yeah.
I just was wondering.
Okay.
Wow, look at this. Pedal one white One World Observatory, showing the old binoculars and telescopes and type of lenses that we use to look at the other planets. I guess this is another thing here, showing the early age of telescope to look at the planets. Okay. Here we go. Spice. A bit of a history lesson here, I guess, about how they were able to take a look at the planets.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Honolulu. Honolulu. Yeah, thank
Is this
you.
your first time?
I was here back in the 90s.
Okay, go because that's a long time ago.
Yeah.
You'd like to get one of the little guides so you know what you're looking at?
Oh, I'm okay. Just want to, I'm a video type of guy, so I
Enjoy
just
and
want
have
to kind of
fun.
know. It doesn't, I'll probably find out what they are later on, or maybe I already know what they are.
Well, like
Yankee Stadium.
And it flies you in.
Ah.
Details that you won't know.
Oh, I see. History lesson. Okay.
If you decide you want to get one, let me know.
Okay, cool.
Okay, got it.
Thank you. My gosh, take a look at that view right there. Zero visibility. I don't think so. Observation deck mode. Here we are. That is the Hudson, right?
What?
The Hudson.
I don't know. I'm bad at directions.
Oh, okay.
And I'm from New York, but I'm just bad with directions.
Oh, okay.
I apologize.
No, I just assumed because the water and the separation within the island, you know, New York.
Somebody
Right?
over there.
Yeah. Go. Oh, they probably know, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
They will. It's a form of dyslexia where I don't have any sense of direction.
Oh, the sensor. Okay. Sounds
Sorry
good.
about that.
No problem. Thank you. Okay. One sip. All right, here we go. We are 22 minutes in. It is currently, let me see what time it is. It's currently 3:25 p.m. Thursday, May 15th. My one and only opportunity to get to the observation deck here at the One World Trade Center. There's ships moving by there. Very good. There we go. Pretty happy I came up here to get this. I didn't want to wait another day. We can go and do a food tour on other days, and this could be my day for observation. Look at all that traffic down there. New York City traffic. Shows something here. City Pulse. City Pulse shows at 4 o'clock. See the bridge there? There's two bridges there. The bridge over there, the bridge there. Queensboro probably. Bridge. The phone. HDR. The night mode pictures. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Excuse me. I don't know if that's the Hudson. Oh, okay. Oh, they're gonna show me. Okay. Yeah, that's at 4 o'clock. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Keep on going around the observation deck. Feels good up here too. It's nice and cool. It's good on a high elevation, right? I mean, it's so cool like this. It's like the top of the Oculus right there. 12 millimeter. All right. This is great. This is what we came to New York to see. Top of that building right there, there's a lawn. There's a lawn on that building. How amazing is that? Wow. I don't know what building that is. That's surprising to see that they have grass, a lawn up there. Gallery at the World. Oh, that looks cool. Look at that. A lot of buildings. And there's a bridge right there. You get a selfie in front of this right here. That is a city. You know, the windowless building in front of you was originally built to house telephone switching equipment. The windowless building in front of you. Okay, well, I see that right there. I think there's more construction going on right there. Check that out. There's another clear view shot of the two bridges there. Queensboro and Hudson. Price of the building, the Midtown skyscraper. Chrysler building can be spotted midway between the Empire State Building and the East River. So it's the East River. Smooth line, stainless steel cladding. Chrysler building, built in 1930. Stunning example of Art Deco architecture. Rather than having his company fit the bill, Walt Chrysler paid for the building with his personal fortune. Wow. Wow. So his children couldn't. Wow. Okay. The architect William Van Allen the building to be the tallest building in the world. Held the title for less than a year. The Empire State Building overtook that in 1931. Well, there you go. There's some facts about New York City and the Empire State Building. Less than a year. Wow. The baseball field down there. Okay. More information about the Empire State. That's a pretty cool shot right there too. Okay. Nice architecture. Nice architecture. Very nice. Few photos here. That's that photo I took in the front.
Sorry, did you take a photo upstairs?
I'm not sure. Was that the one is this what this is for?
Yeah, give you a code.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do I do that myself?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
okay.
can show you photos if you want, but you can see it on your phone.
I can see it on my phone.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
ever 35 days.
Okay, cool. Is that Hudson River? That's the Hudson?
Yeah, that's it.
And then the East River was, oh, okay, so East and Hudson. Okay. Yeah. So make sure.
Yeah.
And I'm curious, like when it, I mean, are we talking like crystal clear here?
You can't.
Wow, so there's a lot more to see out there.
Oh, so much more.
So much more to
So
see.
this view will be at the night, but because this, because in the night you could see with the buildings.
So
light up.
$55, $63 in tax. I mean,
But
you get your money's worth come here when it's visible.
When it's yes, when.
Okay.
And they mentioned downstairs that it's.
Yeah, they told me like
Yeah.
I saw 3 times they seen, and I don't my taste.
Yeah, that's,
I don't have
that's-
much time to go
that's
here.
Usually, what happens, most people who are here
Yeah.
right now will be the ones. Who
Yeah,
are
I don't have much time. I got things to do. The
Yeah, because
other.
otherwise they would definitely reschedule.
Okay,
That's what
okay,
happens.
okay.
We have a few grow, and these people, because they're leaving like.
It's the same thing. They have to come and
They
do it now.
have to, There's no choice.
Okay.
But the view will be.
If you,
Tomorrow.
what about when the sun is rising? If it's clear and the sun is rising, is that even better?
It's not open. It's
Oh. Okay,
sunset,
okay.
Yes.
Sunset, yes, not sunrise.
Sunrise.
Uh,
Yeah, they should do that just behind
Complete.
the
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, cool, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate.
No worries, no worries.
Thanks. Great information. Thank you.
Have a nice.
Guys, this is the Hudson. I want to thank you. I see something there. Sky Portal. Photo up there. Sky Portal. A big group. Can you identify Hudson, Hackensack, and Passaic? Hudson. Yes, 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 yes. Good morning. The Statue of Liberty is right there. Statue of Liberty. Very good. Pulse was, did that pack happen? It's 3:45. Nobody's here waiting. I'm circling again. 42 minutes in on the video here. Here on the observation deck. Circled around, I think, 2 times around the entire deck. Upstairs and downstairs here. Have drinks, coffee shop, restaurant is up there, out there. Take photographs and you enter. Help me to know. 10,200. Statue of Liberty. Another island right there. There's another island. Billionaire's Row, man. I think there's a Billionaire's Row, but I don't know if this is it. See, it sort of circles around here, all these nice big buildings here. Ah, very good. You know, St. Paul's Chapel is the oldest building in continuous use. Its original purpose. Okay, St. Paul's Chapel. Now we know. All right. Of course, they sell memorabilia, clothing out here as well. Bags, handbags, caps. Back that condensed area, New York City. Press penny collection here. Put a penny in. Pay with Apple Pay. I guess north, yeah. All right. 47 minutes filming here up here on the observation deck. Ooh, looks like there's a game going on down there. Take another stroll upstairs again. Sky Portal. It's a Sky Portal right there. I don't know what it is, but let's see. I didn't go into the Sky Portal. This is Sky Portal. Not sure. I have no idea. It says Sky Portal. I'm not sure what that is though. Let's go upstairs again. One final little roll up. Observation deck level. Good clear view of the Statue of Liberty. City Pulse. A little informative video here. Oh, it still feels like it's shaking right here. It's like it's shaking. I don't know why it's shaking right here. It's the second time I've been up here on this second level of the observation deck. It feels like it's shaking up here. I don't know what that is. It's like shaking. Is there a restroom up here? It smells good. They're cooking, but there's nobody here. There's the restroom. Or the restaurant, I'm sorry. Sorry, is there a restroom nearby?
You 1 floor downstairs and
Uh-huh.
left.
Make a left. Okay, thank you. Alright, we're gonna stop the video here. Going down the escalator. Right there. 52 minutes in. And just hobby video, food, traffic. Pretty much, that's the channel. This is 620 followers. James 3434. That's it. That's all it is. You can take a photo of it. Yeah. I might put something there, I might not. Just, again, it's a hobby. So, nothing special. Yeah. It's only Action Cam AS300. So, I can hold up to so many hours worth of video. 64 GBs in here now. I've already used up 5 hours of it already, so there's only like, I think, 30 minutes left. No, video. Yeah. If there's a photo, it's on my phone. Yeah, cool. Oh yeah. Hawaii. Yeah, you guys been there? I have a chance, go. Yeah, plenty of sightseeing, tours, hiking, food, whatever. What do you guys like? Oh, okay, there's an artist section in the Kakao Ward District. Yeah, so hiking is good too. You can go down there, have fun. Oh, you're not a hiker? Okay. Yeah, but artists, I mean, there's an artist at the Kakao Ward. As far as I know, I see a lot of artists outdoor on walls. Have you seen those? Murals, yeah. There we go. Do you guys do that? Oh, okay. Okay. That's just my only experience of artwork. Yeah, I've never been to any or anything. Do you have something that you can recommend?
Well, obviously the
Hold on a second. Let me just. The Met? Okay, hold on. Okay. Can you get in for me? And then I'll.
it's really cheap.
Cool. Can I screenshot that?
Yeah, this is
Videos on that side.
this side.
What was the other one? Yeah, that's
Okay. Would you like to be? My boss used to work at a bakery, and my boss he's from Hawaii. And
Oh.
yeah, it was really cool.
Okay.
And I really like. Although I've heard like a lot of natives don't really tourist.
Oh, no, don't worry about that. Just
Okay.
don't go to
Just be
North.
respectful.
Just don't go to Waianae, Wahiawa, Kani. Don't go to where those people are.
Yeah.
Just stay in Waikiki, go to the tourist spots, go to the shore.
Is this our stop?
Oh, we gotta, is there another stop?
I'm not sure, but this is
Jumbo?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, hey, your name was?
Live
Liv.
in that pen.
Live in Hem.
Pen.
Okay, if you can, you can follow my Instagram, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Can we start? Exit or, okay, and then we can buy a trip and come later? Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. All right, go. Off we go. Thank you. All right, there's the view of the city. Brooklyn Bridge, I guess. Oh, we gotta go. Okay. Photo of that. Go. Thank you. Brooklyn Bridge. I don't even know if you can hear anything because I have it in my thing here, but I'm going to turn it off right now. Bada bing. It says letters to Trump. Football's up there. There, Donald J. Trump. Oh, it shows when the guy shot him on the podium. They got a picture of him here with the Secret Service agents. Yeah. Okay, looks like they're letting me film it. Nobody said anything. If they tell me to stop, I'll stop. President of the United States, Donald J. Trump, 45th president here. They've got a thing here. Yeah, I'm going to take photos of them. In fact, you know what? Let me end off the call now. I gotta make sure that because I got my surroundings. Make sure these guys are okay with me filming. Yeah. But everything's going great, Mom. Don't worry. I'll send you photos, and I'm safe and sound. Yep. Okay. Love you too. Okay. Bye. Donald, 45th President of the United States. Trump grill right there. And I'm gonna keep walking around here on the side. Is this pretty much all we can do? Is just sort of walk up and stairs and downstairs?
Yeah, we'll limit downstairs.
The main step is downstairs. Awesome. Thank you. Keep going here. And down we go. Sweets. So there's a Trump Cafe. There's the pizza they sell here. Trump Cafe. Paris area. Shopping area. There we go. DC, New York, Vegas, Miami, Trump, Philippines, Scotland, Chicago, Mumbai, 40th Wall Street, Ferry Point. All Trump properties here. Make America Great Again. Trump memorabilia. Trump shot glasses. Trump USA.
Can you help me reach the USA red one on the top?
Trump Bluetooth wireless speakers. Trump clothing.
Everything que tú quieras con el
Alright, this is awesome. So, I don't know if there's a restroom we can use in here. Trump grill, Trump sweets, grill. Do you need reservations for this? 11 to 3. What time is it now?
24.
Oh, it's only 30 minutes left. Okay.
Yeah, but if you're coming before 3, we will serve you.
Okay, sounds good. Well, I'm here till Monday, so
Oh, more than one back, and they also have a bar upstairs.
yeah.
They open from 3:30 to 8.
Do you mind if I take a quick look at the menu?
Right here.
Oh, here it is. Okay, thank you. Thank you. There's the Trump menu. Bring in burgers. Burger. Okay, right. Awesome. Trump grill. Beautiful. Ice cream.